Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you, and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share a rather large Christmas 2020 body care haul. I'm so excited. It seems like it took forever for my order to come in. I placed this order online like the day they released all of the new fragrances on the website. And also I have coupons. So exciting. Okay, so that's the packaging. They're highlighting the new You're the One. I didn't get a sample. I was really hoping that I got a sample of this, but it's okay. So there are 3 coupons. The first coupon is a free gift with any purchase up to $14.50. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting because usually it's just the travel size, right? So that coupon you can use now through November 29th. Oh, and let me just show you so you can. They're red, so cute. So the next coupon is 20% off your entire purchase, and you can also use this one now through November 22nd. And there's one for use later. It's $10 off any $40 purchase. And that one is good November 23rd through November 29th. So they don't give you much time to use that $10 off one. Does anybody remember the days when the coupons were $10 off a $30 purchase? I kind of miss those days, right? Because the prices just keep creeping up, creeping up, creeping up. They repackage the same fragrances over and over again to justify the price increase. And it does seem like the fragrances are getting lighter and lighter. I had used Pink Chiffon the other day, a retired fragrance that I got online. It was so strong. Like you could smell it. Like I don't even know what that is anymore really with most of their fragrances. Like you spray it on and you're like, can I smell it? Yeah, do I smell it? You know, anyway, that's just a small rant. But let's jump in. So the sales weren't great. So for travel size, I went ahead and took advantage of the buy 2, get 1 free. So I'll start off with Snowy Peach Berry. And this is what the packaging looks like. Golds. And there are no scent notes on the travel size, but let's see here. Ooh, that's very peachy. It's I like that. I get a lot of peach with that one. I mean, obviously it's Snowy Peach Berry, but I love peach scents. It's like peach and then like a slight, maybe not really woodsy. I don't want to mislead you guys. Peach and berry. Yeah, peach and berry. I'm just going to go with that. There is another note in there that kind of grounds it, but I like that. That's Snowy Peach Berry. Next, I picked up Twisted Peppermints. And I am not a peppermint fan for body care, so that's why. And I wasn't sure how. The ones that I really wasn't sure about, I got in the travel size. But I have smelled this one. It's like it smells like peppermint. It's sweet, like a peppermint candy. You know, more than like a peppermint, it smells like you know the candies that you use like to fill the giveaways at weddings, like that kind of chalky candy. It smells more like that than like an actual peppermint. So it's Twisted Peppermint. For you peppermint fans, you'll probably like that one. Next, I got Vanilla Bean Noel. And I like the green. It's pretty. But this one is just vanilla and caramel. If I can get it to come out. Yeah, it's vanilla and very heavy on the caramel. So that's a classic. and so is Twisted Peppermint. But next, I picked up Winter Candy Apple, and that's what the new packaging looks like. And I love this one. I'm definitely going to stock up on this one. This is like a sweet candy apple, and it's tart. Like a tart, sweet candy apple. I love this. And when I say stock up, I don't know if I'll stock up. I'm taking that one for granted a little bit. I still have some travel size left, and I really like it, but I just assume it will come back every year, so I don't like stock up on it. I know I'm at least going to get a body cream in that too, so we will see. Next is Mary Cookie, and very beautiful packaging on this. I love the colors and the little fox. He's so cute. Okay, so I have this one in a hand cream, and I like it. That smells like a rich, buttery, salty cookie. Yeah, butter, salt, cookie. I like that a lot. I hope they have it in a larger size, because all I'm seeing is travel size for this one. And I think they have it in a lip gloss too, but I need this in a large size. I love gourmand scents. Like, I love gourmand scents. For home fragrance, for body care, when I'm in the mood for like comfort, that's my go-to. So next I picked up Snowflakes and CAshmere in the travel size body cream. And I actually have the fragrance mist as well. Very, very beautiful, frosted looking packaging. So the fragrance notes are vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. Vanilla and like vanilla, cashmere, like kind of musky, but there's something bright, a little bit bright, and that must be the clementine. But I like this. Yeah, I like this one. I like that. I like musky type cashmere scents. Like, I love pink cashmere. It's retired, and this does not disappoint. Yeah, I really like this. So that is Snowflakes and CAshmere. Next, I have Frosted Coconut Snowball. And beautiful, snowy, frosted looking packaging. The scent notes are frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla. What is North Pole vanilla? Silly. Winter freesia, snow-kissed woods, and spun sugar. Frosted coconut, snowball flurry, swirl in the air, covering the world in snow-dusted beauty. It sounds pretty. Let's see. I'm not a big coconut fan, though. Yeah, you get a lot of coconut with this. A ton of coconut. It's like a sweet coconut. Very sweet coconut. Sugar and coconut. That's what I get. Oh, and you know what? As it starts to dry, you do get that freesia. I don't know how I feel about this one. It's an odd combination. Well, I'm not a huge coconut fan, and the coconut note is very predominant. So it's like coconut, freesia, and sugar. So if you like those notes, definitely try that one. Next is Sweater Weather, and this is what the beautiful teal packaging looks like. It's kind of like Tiffany blue, right? I love Tiffany blue. So the scent notes are apple slices, blue skies, and fresh breeze. Under starry night skies, embrace sweater weather moments and make all your winter wishes come true. And this is different than the fall sweater weather. They're both like apple, but the other one is like autumn air, where this one is fresh breeze. Yeah. So it's different. This one is, I like this one more. I don't really care for the fall sweater weather, but you get the apple, but you also get like this, like fresh air. I don't know, like it's a very fresh scent, like fresh, like think like fresh aquatic, if that makes sense. I like this one. Yeah, I definitely like this sweater weather better. This sweater weather better. Next is Winterberry Wonder, and this is what the packaging looks like. Scent notes are Ruby Frost Winterberry, Sparkling Cranberry, and Crystal Vanilla. A magical crisp sweetness infuses all the land with Winterberry Wonder. I love these scent descriptions. They're funny. Very berry. Let's see here. Let's try a different spot. Okay, I'm getting a lot of berry. But, okay, a ton of berry. It's like a berry spritzer. Like a wine spritzer, but berry flavored. It's nice. I like this. Winterberry Wonder. And next I picked up Gingerbread Latte. And you guys, I do remember this one from last year. I didn't like the lotion. I didn't like the way it smelled, but we will see. So the fragrance notes are Santa's gingerbread, frosted pear, and brown sugar. And I do have the lotion here. Here is what the new packaging looks like. And this is the old body lotion. I hope there's less of that pear note. I didn't care for that. No, I don't like this. It's gingerbread, which I love. I love anything gingerbread. I crave it. I love it. I try to stock up on it this time of year. But this is nasty. I don't like the way this smells. It's like, ugh, that pear. It's just wrong. It's just wrong. You should not put gingerbread and pear together. It's nasty. It doesn't smell like a gingerbread latte. It smells like a gingerbread nightmare. I really don't like this one. And I was really hoping, oh my gosh, because it has so much possibility. Why would you put pear in a gingerbread latte? Please comment. Does that make any sense to you? And if you love this, I'm so sorry. I really am. I'm so sorry. If you love this and like you were waiting on this, I'm so happy for you. But that pear note just throws me off. And here's the thing. I don't really care for pear scents. I don't care for pears, period. I don't like to eat pear. I don't really like to smell pear unless they're just like one of the back notes. So that could have a lot to do with it, but no, I'm returning this. I'm gonna get something else. Maybe more Merry Cookie, maybe another winter candy apple. I don't know, but no, that's a no for me. Next is Christmas cookies, and this is the packaging. I love the gradient shading with like the reflective iridescent. Oh, so cute. So the scent notes are creamy cookie dough, almond biscotti, and caramel woods. Get sweet on the holidays with ooey gooey sugar cookie goodness. Sounds delicious. Oh my gosh. This is like glued on here, you guys. Okay, there we go. Love it. This smells similar to Merry Cookie. It's like I mean, this is very similar to Merry Cookie, but it's like salty cookie dough. Yeah, a little bit. With caramel. It's nice. I like this. If you like gourmand, yeah, you have to try this. I like this, you guys. Let's see here. Oh, I love this. So I'll trade in gingerbread latte for another Christmas cookies. And I was holding off on buying the lotions until I really figured out which ones I actually really liked. But, ooh, yeah, I like this one. Christmas cookies. So, in order of favorite, well, it's too many to choose from. I can't even say that, but I do love Merry Cookie and Christmas cookies and Winter Candy Apple, Snowflakes and CAshmere, and Sweater Weather. It's fresh and clean. It's just, I mean, it's not bad. It's just, it's nothing special, in my opinion. Maybe Winterberry Wonder next. Frosted coconut, vanilla bean Noel, twisted peppermint, snowy peach. Well, no, snowy peach berry before twisted peppermint, then twisted peppermint, and then gingerbread latte in dead last because yeah, no, that's not for me. But thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you found this content helpful. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.